Mutton liver curry, Metey Chochchori. Mutton liver Metey 400 gram. Cut in small pieces. Now marinate the Metey with red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, mustard oil 1 teaspoon. Mix well and keep for some time. Potato 1 big, onion 1 medium, garlic 5-6 big cloves, ginger 1 inch. Now oil 3 tablespoons. Add garlic paste or grated. Let it fry for 2 minutes till golden. Add the onion chopped. At the same time, add the potato diced and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Cover on low flame for 3-4 minutes so potato is cooked. Add pinch of kasuri methi, green chilies chopped, ginger paste or grated. Let it fry for some more time. Add turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Fry 2-3 minutes. Cover again for 3 minutes. Potato done. Now add the marinated Metey. Metey should be added at the end of cooking, otherwise it will be hard. Fry on medium to low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. Add red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon and little more salt. Cook for 7 more minutes. Add 1/2 cup water and boil for 4 minutes. Enjoy with rice, roti, paratha.